good health starts from within, and significant part of this your gut health. Yakult provides a simple, effective solution. Our product contains billions of lactobacillus caseous ureta per bottle, scientifically formulated to survive the journey through digestive system and colonize your gut. This unique strain is known for its ability to improve digestion, boost immunity, and contribute to overall well-being. Unlike many competitors, it has undergone rigorous testing and it's backed by scientific research. We are confident in its effectiveness, and millions of satisfied customers have already experienced its benefits. Yakult is more than just a drink. It's an investment in your health. Choose Yakult. Choose a healthier, happier you.